Perfecting wood is our mission, and the search for perfection is a never-ending journey. It requires perseverance, skill, and a willingness to go wherever it takes you. For over a century, Kronospan has been producing the materials that allow creatives from around the world to achieve extraordinary results. Our products are designed to inspire laminate flooring, water-resistant flooring, TFL furniture panel, and high-quality building materials such as MDF, HGF, and particle board are just some of the products we produce at our manufacturing sites located in Clarion, Pennsylvania, and Oxford, Alabama. We broke ground on our Oxford, Alabama facility in 2008, bringing nearly 12 decades of expertise with us. We believe in American manufacturing and found that our customers do too. Their trust in our products allows us to continue our pursuit for perfection, and together we provide long-term economic growth to the Oxford, Alabama community. It starts with wood logs. Our wood logs are chipped and taken to our MDF board plant where it's processed into fibers. The fibers are pressed into our MDF panel with glue we produce on site and heated to produce our raw MDF boards. These boards are sold or used for our flooring and furniture panel where it must undergo additional steps. When creating our flooring and furniture panel, we impregnate our paper on site with one of our multiple impregnation lines. The resins we use to treat our decorative paper is produced on site by Kronospan. The treated paper is used by our flooring and furniture panel facilities. Once the treated paper and overlay is heated and dried, it's cut into sheets and laminated onto the raw MDF or particle boards. Our TFL furniture panel and flooring presses create a textured and durable scratch-resistant surface. Here at Kronospan North America, we produce two distinct products, laminate flooring panels and TFL furniture panels. Our finished TFL panels are then sent to furniture manufacturers where they make a variety of products such as cabinets, furniture, or commercial furniture. And now our laminated flooring panels are cut, profiled, and packaged for our retail customers. Our employees are our lifeblood, and every step of our process is driven by our team of professionals who are dedicated to creating quality and superior products. Our commitment to perfection and value is what makes us the leaders in the industry. But with leadership comes great responsibility. That's why we use responsible timber sourcing, power our plants with green energy, and are committed to sustainability. This allows us to provide unrivaled service and cost leadership. We believe efficient manufacturing is critical to minimize any effect on the environment. From trees to wood chips to resins, we are there every step of the way. We offer quality furniture panel and flooring in an impressive array of designs and get them to manufacturers and customers who rely on us with unrivaled speed and value. We are on the never-ending quest for perfection. It's our mission to invest in our facilities, our people, and our product so that we can guarantee our future. We are Kronospan North America.